Hey there, Jeff Heyman here. We are about to get to the video. Before we get to the video though, I'd like to welcome you to click the link in the description. It's the first link you're going to see right down below. And it's going to take you to a page that's going to show you the exact system that I'm currently using to make thousands of dollars every single month and work from home full time. This is the exact same system that allowed me to go ahead and quit my 9 to 5 in early 2018. Since then, I've been living the work from home lifestyle, and it's been fantastic. I've got hundreds of students doing the same thing. Overall in this system, literally there are thousands of people that are using this to make a fantastic monthly income. And the exciting part about this is that it is super affordable to get started. We're talking about $12 that you can turn into an income that can literally help you make as much money as you want. The sky is the limit here. So it doesn't matter if you're on a tiny budget or you've got a lot of money. It doesn't matter. You can get started here, and I'm going to show you at the link below how to leverage just $12 and turn that into thousands of dollars per month. So I'll see you at the link, and now let's go ahead and get to the video.
Hi, my name's Alex Copeland and I work with Richard Fairburn and the Online Success Model team. And this is our Ecom Profits course. Marketing your online store. With all of the tips we've given you, you should be well on your way to a great functioning store. But now we need to get people through that virtual front door. So what sort of things can be done to market our ecom venture? There are many ways, but here's a few of the better ones. SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and this is the process of optimizing your website so that places such as Google put you at the top of the results when people search for certain phrases. You usually start down this path by focusing on a certain search term related to your niche, something like buy used iPhones, and then you tailor your content and link building to focus on getting your site in the results for this search term. Now, each search term that is used on the internet has a different difficulty, with some being easy to rank for and the more competitive ones being very difficult to do so. Search engine optimization is much easier if you have a fairly targeted audience or niche that you're working on, as this means you know exactly what you should be going after. Once you have this in mind, you can find out what people are typing into Google to find your items and try and focus on the less competitive terms. If you do have multiple niches or categories on your shop, then don't despair. Just treat each main category as a kind of niche and then target your search engine optimization based on that niche before moving on to the next category stroke niche. At its simplest, what you need to do is make sure that you have a fast and mobile-friendly website that's easy to navigate, and that the keywords you select that you want to rank for are in your descriptions and have related terms on the pages too. Now, it used to be that you could stuff your keyword loads of times and get ranked easy, but now places like Google are much cleverer and will actually rank you better when you have content that is readable to humans but is related to the general theme of that keyword. You should still include the keyword sometimes, but just don't overdo it. If you start thinking it looks spammy, then it probably is. You can include the keyword in headers and meta descriptions and link to it internally from other pages on your site. You can also get backlinks from other sites on the internet by writing free content and using these to guest post. Or maybe you could post images on image share sites with a link back to your items. All of these backlinks will help in the ranking of your site because Google will see you as an authority. The more non-spammy links you get out there, the better. Content marketing. Content marketing is basically putting content out there for people to find so they can read it and then go through to your site. The aim is to get people used to seeing the sort of information you offer and bumping into it all over the internet. You could make a blog based around your main niche and give free advice with the end goal of being seen as an authority and therefore people trusting your recommendations when you offer things for sale. Email marketing. Ultimately, the best thing to do is have a list of people that are interested in whatever your niche is. You can build the trust of your audience through content marketing to the point that they give you their email, and then you can use this to contact them again and again, offering advice and products for sale. Social media. By utilizing social media, you can also get people visiting your site and purchasing your products. If your niche is particularly visual, then Pinterest is a great place to put items and lead people into your store. Facebook is also great for getting people interested, especially if what you're selling is fun and visual. Instagram is another huge traffic source for anything that you can share pictures of. And you can even get into influencer marketing, which is where you get a big Instagram star to post a photo with one of your products and get the interest up. PPC. PPC, or pay per click, is paid advertising in all its forms. These platforms only charge you when someone clicks on your advert, so if you have one that doesn't work, you won't get charged, but it does cost when you do. You can set maximum cost per click though, but the more you have spare to spend, the more your ads will show up, especially in competitive niches. The major platforms for this paid advertising are Google AdWords and Facebook ads, but you can also buy ads on many other places online. Just don't go into this with a gung-ho attitude, or you can end up losing a lot of money before you realise it isn't working.